7:30 Thursday, March 16th, and just heading out of camp. Slept really well last night. It got really cold last night, but it's not that bad this morning. Not nearly as cold as it was yesterday. So I think I've got about 12 miles or so to get to Hot Springs, and I'm gonna do a bunch of chores when I get to town, trying to do this laundry. And then Jenny is coming to meet me. She's got a place reserved for us there in Hot Springs, and so I'm going to take a zero there in Hot Springs. Well, it might not actually be a zero week because we may hike some miles together. So yet to be determined on that. I think the weather is going to turn kind of bad over the next couple days, but we'll see. So I just want to I'm gonna stop filming here for a second. I'm gonna turn this phone around and show you this sunrise over the hill. So here's the sun just poking up over the hill. It's gonna be a pretty day, and I got some miles to hike, so let's get on it. So a few people have asked me about water sources. I know I've shown them before in the past, but this is kind of an example of one that you just sort of come across on the trail. But they're all marked on the app that I use, which is the Far Out Guide. It's a common app. Most people use it out here, and it shows you where everything is, really. Towns, water sources, campsites, all that. So I knew this one was coming up. I actually don't need any water, so I'm going to keep hiking on, but I just wanted to show you. We still have some snow left, but it's not that cold today, so I imagine this will probably melt off with that sun. Let's go. So I'm coming into Hot Springs, and about 6 miles back, a little birdie told me that I should look for something buried under the leaves by this yellow tag. So I'm gonna dig around in here, see what that birdie was talking about. That little birdie didn't lie. Woohoo! Trail magic. Yes. Ben, Ellen, thank you very much. It's cold, I'm thirsty, and I'm gonna pop it. You guys, this means so much to me. Thank you so very much. I'm in downtown Hot Springs. Just ate at the diner. I had hamburger steak, mashed potatoes, fried okra, and a big hunk of cornbread slathered with butter. And it was amazing.